Linking your bank to ThoughtSpot can enhance your data analysis by providing real-time financial insights. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Access ThoughtSpot. Log into your ThoughtSpot account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to link external data sources. Step 2. Navigate to data sources. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank integration. In the Data Sources menu, find the option for bank integration or financial data. Click on it to start the process of linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank credentials. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any connection issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Connect button to finalize the linking process. You should receive a notification of successful integration. Now you are ready to analyze your financial data in ThoughtSpot. Enjoy exploring your insights.